welcome back to another video. So on today's video I will be doing a quick and easy dump and go crock pot meal, and I will be doing pot roast. This is a dish that I really do enjoy, and it's really easy and simple to make. You don't even, have to be there cooking it or anything like that. Like I said, you just dump it in there, and if you have things to do, you just do your things and let it cook. Usually the pot roast, I do let it cook for, I want to say maybe about 3 to 4 hours, if not a little bit more. But I am going to show you what all I use to make it. And also, this is a collaboration with my sweet friend Denise. Denise does a lot of cooking videos. She does cleaning videos and decorate videos as well. So if you are not yet following her, I will go ahead and leave her link down below. Today she will also be doing a crock pot meal, so you get the double dose of easy meals. So please make sure you go and check her out and let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming from Denise's channel, hi, welcome. My name is Gina. I do a lot of decor videos, DIYs, cook and clean, and every now and then we do vlogs. So if this is content that you would like, I really would love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get started. So whenever I make my pot roast, this is the package that I do buy, and I buy this from Walmart. And I just like it because it has all the ingredients that you need, and it comes with the meat, and it comes with all the veggies that you need to put into your crock pot. And here I have my crock pot. I already have it warming up. Are the slow cooker liners. So basically what you do is you just add them into your crock pot. And then that way, whenever you are done cooking, you just basically take the bag out and everything will be in here. And you don't have a dirty crock pot. So let's get started.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it has pretty much been about 4.5 hours, probably 5 hours that it's been cooking, and this is what it looks like. I love serving my pot roast with white rice, and this thing is just so soft and delicious. So if you guys do decide to try it, let me know. It's so simple, guys. You just throw it and you do it whatever you need to do. So I want to thank you for tuning in to another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.